Is your Android phone suddenly silent? No ringtones, no sound from videos or voicemail? Don't worry, it's a common issue and easy to fix. In this video, we'll show you 9 simple ways to restore sound on your Android phone quickly. 1. The Android phone thinks I have headphones plugged but I don't. Increase volume. Press volume up and turn off mute. Plug headphones. Plug in or out. Then restart. Clean jack. Remove dust and test sound. Restart phone. Power off. Then reboot. Factory reset. Reset via settings or recovery mode. 2. The speaker on Android stops working suddenly. Dial 7353 to open the diagnostic menu. Tap speaker to test the external speaker, you'll hear loud sound. Tap melody to test the internal speaker or earpiece. 3. The device mutes automatically. Check apps in safe mode. Power off the phone, then press and hold power until safe mode appears. Tap OK and check if the sound works. Wipe cache partition. Boot into recovery mode. Select wipe cache partition. Confirm. Then reboot system now. 4. Receive no sound when connecting to Bluetooth speaker. Check Bluetooth. Test the device on another phone. Then repair it. Go to Settings Bluetooth. Select the headset and enable media audio. 5. App-specific sound is disabled or bugged. If the issue continues, go to Settings Apps. Clear the app cache. Update the app to the latest version or reinstall it to remove any corrupted app data that may be causing the problem. 6. Android system sound files are corrupted. Corrupted or missing system sound files can prevent notifications, media playback, or ringtones from working properly across the entire device. You can restart the phone in safe mode to determine whether third-party apps are interfering with system audio. 7. Software update cause audio conflicts. A recent Android update may cause sound issues. Check for system or security updates, as fixes are often released soon after. 8. Audio output is redirected to a secondary device. Your Android phone may be routing sound to a secondary device, such as Android Auto, a smart TV, wireless earbuds, or another Bluetooth-enabled device running in the background. 9. Hardware damage or moisture affects audio components. Exposure to water, dust, or a recent drop can damage internal audio components, leading to complete or partial sound loss. Power off the device immediately to prevent further damage and avoid charging it until it is fully dry.